Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the contrast in Android 15 beta. Android 15 beta offers new contrast settings to improve contrast visibility. Go to settings, then display and touch, color contrast, and here you can adjust color contrast. You can set it to either default, medium to increase the contrast, or high to increase the contrast even more. You can also enable high contrast text to maximize text contrast by giving a background to text. High contrast text works in all of the color contrast modes, and you can also disable it and use these contrast modes without the high contrast text. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.